Today we are starting with Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. Before moving into the synopsis, let's first focus on the introduction. That is, this story is focusing on the fact that how humans misuse their discoveries. Let's move into the synopsis of the chapter. This story is about a scientist named Griffin. He carried out many experiments in order to prove that human body could become invisible. Finally, he got success in his experiment and he himself had swallowed the drug and became invisible, but physically he can be touched and felt. He accidentally stepped in mud and made his footprints visible for the two young men, but it also became invisible with time and led to the confused state of mind for those two individuals. It was winter. In order to keep himself warm, he entered a shopping center. He chooses to wear some comfortable garments and eat something after the store was closed. The next morning, before he saw that some store associates had started following him, then he removed all the clothes instantly and became invisible once again, which was the only way to protect himself. After that, he was forced to wander in the chilly weather of London. He then decided to visit a theatrical company as he was sure he will get something from there to cover himself. He has stolen dark glasses, false nose, big bushy side whiskers, a large hat and some bandages for covering his face. Then he attacked the shopkeeper and stole all his money. Soon he was eager to leave London as for its crowded nature, so he took a train to the Iping village. He booked 2 rooms at the local inn. The villagers were surprised to see a stranger in winter with such an uncommon appearance. After some time, he faced some crisis related to money and he started stealing from people. Griffin had heated with his invisible appearance the owner and his wife when they came to check his room in his absence. As the owners were unable to see anyone, they thought there were spirits, and the stranger with uncommon appearance is responsible for it. At that time, the town constable was requested to inquire about the guest. As Griffin was always quick-tempered, so he decided to show his identity as a headless man. They cannot catch hold of Griffin, as for him it took a minute to take off all his garments and finally he became invisible, thus returning back to his original form. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.